Good morning, everybody. Good evening, everybody. Good evening, grandmas. If you didn't already know, I now live in a house. I did a cost analysis, how much money I was spending on food, and there's a cat. This is Pantera. She is the needy cat. She's a indoor-outdoor cat. Do it! And I don't know what she wants. She just likes to meow at me. She's got food, I think. Yeah, she's got food and water, so I don't know what she's meowing at. What are you meowing at, kitty? Alright, anyways. So, did a cost analysis, and it's actually a little bit, or break even, cheaper for me to house dwell instead of vehicle dwell. So, I don't know if you can see out there is my van, and I'm gonna give you a tour of my beautiful, where I'm staying right now. So, we've got an L couch, cat's back, Mitsubishi flat screen TV, record player, records, books. There's actually another room in here. I'm trying to motivate the guy that I'm renting from to clean this out and rent it because he can make more money. We have a garage with a light on. That light does not need to be on. There's a wood-burning stove in here that goes through to the roof, and I don't know if we will be doing wood burning, but I'll have to ask him about that. Some sort of wood, maybe it goes through the top. I don't know. I don't know if he's used it, but there's a wood-burning stove. Obviously, some sort of fumes are going to the ceiling. There's the kitchen. The kitchen is my favorite place to hang out. We have either granite or marble countertops. Some stainless steel appliances. He is a vegetarian, so I'm not allowed to have red meat. Here's my shelf. He says I'm not allowed to have red meat. I am respecting his wishes because he owns the house. I do have some turkey in there, eggs, and I've been going crazy with tilapia. Just cooked some dinner, sweet potatoes, red potatoes, some tilapia. The backyard's actually really cool. Maybe I will show that at the end of the video tomorrow. We have grass and plants and a nice little sitting area. Here's the backyard. We got lots of green, cactus. The owner also has a 2-year-old. He is divorced and they share custody. So there are some 2-year-old toys and baby chairs. And the cat again. Washer dryer, it's nice. I don't have to use the laundromat anymore. And onward to my bedroom. But first we're gonna go into here. So this was actually the ad that I saw for the room, was this room, and it's red, which is like super weird. We call it the red room, and it's just a room, lamp, closet, dresser. That's his room. This is the bathroom, shared bathroom, whatever. Toilet, pedestal sink if those are still in, tub, and a mirror. I like this bathroom. I've never seen one of these until here. There's a heat switch for when it gets cold during the winter, and then hot air blows out of this vent up here. So I like that heat switch. And this is the room that I'm currently renting. I'm paying $500 a month. Single light switch. Take your shoes off. We got a full-size bed, I think. eBay shipping material. I'm saving some packing stuff. Yeah, got I think, what is it, a full-size bed? Still haven't finished this. I'm kind of getting back into it. I'm about I don't know, a fourth of the way done. Swiss Family Robinson. Got some MacBooks down here. 2016 MacBook 12. But I'm selling this one if anyone's interested. Hit me up on Instagram. This is the one I just picked up. I released a video about both of those. This is the one that I took to Japan. It's got the Now Ya sticker, Tabibito Traveler on there. It's a 2013 MacBook Pro Retina. It's a nice laptop. I've used this for a very, very long time. I got it for like 600 bucks. Got more than my use out of that. Bought that in 2015. Now I'm upgrading to this. Got a little shelf over here. Got some random cameras, electronics, my Dymo printer down there. Just picked up this GoPro. I paid $160 something with it. It's a GoPro Hero 6. but it did not come with a SD card. Yeah, didn't come with an SD card, so I haven't got to use it yet. Yeah, my last GoPro was a Hero 5, and I really liked it. It's waterproof, it's like all contained, and it broke in Japan, if y'all remember that.
I can be your hero, baby.
That's a $400 camera right there. Got the cheapest iPhone X in the world over here. Paid $100 off of OfferUp, and it's a consensus that everyone thinks it was kind of shady or stolen. I give the guy a benefit of the doubt, but I have it up on eBay right now. Still hasn't sold. I think I have it up for a little over like $380 or something. Still hasn't sold. Clean clothes. This is like a bin that I had in my van that I took out. This was left in the room. Clean clothes, clean clothes. Dirty clothes is in a work box. I took these boxes from work. More packing materials. Dirty clothes. We got a Goal Zero Yeti 400. If you've seen on Instagram, I've posted a couple posts about this. And I have a closet. Oops. The closet, and it's kind of like an eBay closet more than anything. I don't think I wear any of these clothes. Like that's on eBay, this I need to ship to my friend, that I just picked up and haven't listed yet, that I haven't listed yet. Got some shoes that I got on eBay, got some stuff up there. I don't think I've shown this Toon Squad from by Champion. I picked that up at Savers, size medium. It is from Space Jam, and a new Space Jam is going to be coming out soon, so that's going to be pretty rad. I got an MA1 jacket, flight jacket. Got the clicky keyboard down here. Some more bags, roof racks, some stuff over there, and then I have this is some stuff that I'm going to be shipping to Amazon. This is a big box full of Amazon FBA stuff. Yum. Got a nice Hartman bag. Haven't listed that on eBay yet, but will be soon. And that is my closet. Oh yeah, I didn't show you guys this. So this is kind of like an overview of resale. I kind of broke it down into tools, items, storage, and shipping, and it's like a flow chart that I'm kind of working on of like how to resale 101. And that is the house tour. That is the eBay room. Thanks everybody for watching. Update on the FootJoy shirts. I have sold all of them. They're all sold. I gotta ship these out. The total buy price was $2.50 for 10 shirts, so 25 bucks. And I sold them all for a gross sale price of $487. So that was a pretty good score. If you don't already, follow me on Instagram. I have been updating that a lot more. It's a lot easier. It's a lot faster. There's like a lot of stories I put up, content going up there. So if you want to connect, definitely go through Instagram. I'm not posting a whole lot, partly because of work. I'm in a volleyball league. The internet's not that great here. Excuses, 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 I know, but that's just how it is. So yeah, thanks everybody for watching. If you haven't already, give the video a thumbs up. If you have any encouraging comments, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye. Something crazy happened at work today. We get an order every day for medication, and one of the boxes was full of metformin. It was supposed to be. It was supposed to be like 16 bottles of metformin. Well, when the technician opened it up, she already felt the box and was like, it feels a little light. And then she opened it up. There was a box inside that box, and she opened that box up. There was a 13-inch brand new MacBook Pro in the box. It was like, it's insane. However this happened, they sent a MacBook Pro to the pharmacy instead of the medications, and we have no idea really how it happened. We all have theories on it, but it's kind of crazy.